there. Oh, this is what I saw this morning, and I forgot to put it on my list. The new feature. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to click animate. And there's something up here called create an animation. Well, let's click it. Select and drag an element around your canvas to create your animations. Hold shift whilst dragging to create straight lines. Stop dragging the element to complete your animation. Let's give it a try. You know what? It helps to really click animate and click create an animation. All right, so shift, click, and you'll see the dot. So I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to go over, and then I'm going to start in there. Watch that. And it went automatically. Let's look at it smooth. Now let's look at it steady. Look at that. Orient element to path. I don't know what that means. Oh, look at that. Did you see that? It turns sideways and then upside down and then let's make it go faster. Look, y'all. Okay, go ahead. Mind blown. Let's delete the path. Let's just move it around like this. And I'm going to orient element to path. What? That is so exciting. So y'all are legit seeing what happens when I see new features. What if we had a subscribe icon right here? And then I'm going to go ahead and put a video. We've got our video and we want this subscribe icon to go around. We're going to animate it, create our own animation, and then there it is. What if we look at that? What if I take it off the screen like this and just shift straight down? Did y'all see that? Now let me right click. Well, let me try this. Right click and show timing. And so it's there. It actually goes off and it doesn't even need to be all the way across like that. But that's a really cool animation. I love it. Oh, can I like move where it starts? I can. Can you go off screen and then pop off? Let's try that even more. Let's delete the path. Let's go off the screen and then come back in and then go off the screen and then come back in and then go off the screen and then come back in. Let's do I'll let look at that. Can you do that with a background remove photo of my face? Let's animate Claire's face. Hold shift while dragging to create a straight line. I'm going to start it off lower because I want it to go up. What does everybody think about the new features? Are you just as excited about them as I am?